Oh, he just went dumb. Hey man, say man, it's your girl JehNotJay back in the building with another banger. We're gonna tap in, if you know what I mean. Ew. Ew, this noise, this wet noise, this AMSAR noise. Like, y'all ever see the girls who put the stuff on the thing? They be like, 1984. I wasn't even thought about or living then. Okay. Period. Big dark alley.
Soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall?
Oh, and why would we ask that question?
Well, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets full of fear and cover-ups.
Okay.
I just whisper. Tuesday.
You're whispering a lot. Please report any possible sighting. Police stretch. That's what he looked like? Ew. Ew. That's what he looked like? Name is what?
And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
His name is what?
Waiter, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
Oh no.
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
He's looking for you. Get down to the station. Over.
No, I'm just kidding.
Tell him I'm on my way.
Okay. Let's get into it. I'm not really sure what to expect, like I said. Them tires bald. I might need to get something new. Oh, this the police officer. Okay. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Whoop 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 whoop. All the things. Yeah. Okay. Carrion City Police Department. CCPD in the house. That badge does not give police. It does not get saving. Is this me? Do I play him? Oh.
Its hall smell of stale coffee and disappointment.
Okay. Well now.
Let's see what the chief is this time.
Okay. Okay, so I'm him. Okay. Let's look around. Ugh, he walked like his back hurt. Like he got scoliosis. What's in here? I can't go this way? Oh. This is giving me Minecraft Robleezy vibes. This the sprint. We cooked. Let's see the objective. Talk to the chief in his office. Yeah, I kind of figured. I just like looking around. What's back here? Nothing? Nobody, baby. What's that? Oh. They need to get this figured out. Why the police department look like this? This raggedy. They didn't paint it all over this place. What's this? Is this blood? What's in there? Oh, it's locked. Got too curious. This dirty? What kind of police station is this? Hey, girl.
Hello, Luna.
Oh.
I see.
Luna popped up too fast. Babysitting is crazy.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
This accent is not cute. What? Did somebody? What? I'm paranoid already.
Here we are.
Am I hearing stuff?
Simmer, of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Girl, I don't care what O'Brien doing. Tell him you gotta wait.
Lucky me.
Period.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Girl, hurry up. Why are you talking in 0.25? What's wrong with her neck? What the heck? What? Oh, that's her ponytail. Oh. I guess that's it. Where we going? This way? Oh. Hmm. Okay. Can't even see nothing in here. I don't like this at all. That him? Who is it? Where we supposed to be going and stuff? Him? Who is this in the corner like this?
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Girl, absolutely not.
Not even a little.
Period.
Shame. I've got
Shame
a
on
real
who?
thankful man who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Oh, she trying to be funny. Girl, that weak side part.
Then
Or is that a
aim
middle? See, I
lower.
can't even tell with that synthetica, girl.
Your loss. Plenty on me.
Girl,
on
you're
this
lost.
station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
Okay.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
What? What are we even talking about?
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
No.
I'm not your
No.
wingman.
Period.
Get help, Roxy.
Get something. That little Bobbiana ain't cute. Who are these other people though? I'm gonna talk to him. What up, big dog?
You're still chasing Ghost Slater?
Hell yeah.
Someone has to.
Why he look like that? He look like he ain't get no
Yeah,
sleep.
just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
Oh,
It
well,
could
take
be
it out the
worse.
grave.
Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Ooh.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
I don't like
A
his
fate
voice.
we both share, I'm afraid.
It's real ashy. He should swallow
It's
some
not
lotion
too
or
late for
something.
you, dick.
Um,
But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
just maybe. You do like you're on your last, you know? Look how you type. Hands in the keyboard. That's an interesting way to go about it. Let's see who this is. Hi. Ooh.
Sir, I mean, Dick, I mean, Detective Slater, sir.
What is up with you? Take your time. We can reschedule next week.
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
Right.
No, sir, but I was just thinking, if you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio
Oh, he
notes,
trying to get him.
crime
He
patterns.
trying to get him
I
some
could
points or
really
something.
help out there.
Some cool points or something.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out.
Period.
You're a good kid. But your place is here. At the station.
Maybe that's what's best. It look rough out there.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
Why his hands look like that? Is them gloves or is he the person we
You don't
looking
wanna
for?
See what I've seen.
Like, what am I looking at?
Just keep at it, kid. And let
Roger that, Mr. Slater. I mean,
I ain't talking about that.
detective.
Yeah, put some respect on my name, little homie. And push them buttons. Let's keep going. See, I'm paranoid. Okay, Mr. O'Brien. Somebody in here. Dang, his office look kind of clean. I ain't seen a roach or nothing. Ooh. Ugh. Stinky butt. Who farting?
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
Boy, shut up.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch.
Period. You chew him down.
He looks too clean for this city.
And
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Okay.
Detective Slater, it's an honor.
His
I've read
neck.
every report you ever wrote. Your work on the full Mooner case back in '79 was legendary.
Oh, you a fan? You freaked out.
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Okay.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've
What's
got a
up with
new
these
animal
camera
stalking
angles?
these streets.
Slaved. Gave. Need. I don't know what I'm
Which
watching.
is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Oh. Who I'm
Excuse
chasing
me.
him with?
Knox is your new partner.
Damn. I don't get no say so either, huh? Oh.
What?
Oh, he got out that
You
seat
gotta
for
be
real.
Kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer.
I mean. Okay.
O'Brien,
Did he just fall asleep mid conversation? What's wrong with him? Is he okay?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
All this over some Oh, he a eater. Oh, he a eater.
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
After you just munch those donuts to the box? To the crumbs?
Roger that, Chief.
Why are these seats making all that noise? And he walks
Listen,
strong.
Dick, the mayor's so far down my throat about the
Oh,
stapler
pause.
that I feel like I'm in a
That was way too close.
film.
Oh yeah, happy Pride Month, y'all. Speaking of, far down his throat. No way he just said that shit.
killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer.
Okay. I guess that's what I'm about to go do.
Detective Slater.
What's up?
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Period.
Okay.
Rule 2.
What kind of shit he on?
If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Okay.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Shit, if we survive.
Understood.
Okay. He's getting a whip, I guess. A lot happened. A lot happened. We ain't even been in that long, and it's already like a lot going on. What the heck? The quick fix, okay. Hot fresh wieners inside. Ain't no wrong with little wieners.
Another beautiful night
Whoa.
in Carrion City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
Pause. Cause what he talking about?
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best.
Oh,
Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job. and
the
leave
jank
this
wagon.
city in dust.
Alright. It's an interesting vehicle name.
I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Yeah. It's about that time. I'm him too? The fresh pit. Dang, nobody even here. Will we really have a busy day? Okay, Weenie Hut Jr.
The phone is ringing. The phone, I'll be right there.
Let me find his phone. Where's his phone at? Am I slow? What's that word?
Get your fix at the quick fix. This is Hexy.
Oh
How
hell.
can I help you?
Get your quick at the quick fix. It sounds like them
Oh.
Charlie Brown people.
Hey, boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic.
Type. Dang, what is he swallowing the phone?
What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
What? So he need to be mad at Eric. Dang, we losing service. The service getting nervous. What kind of service we got?
Calling me on the shitter again?
Oh, he was doing the
disgusting.
Ew. No, for real.
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling
Not
me
fresh
when you're in the
wieners.
middle of taking a crap.
No, for real. Is he cool? Ew. Now what? Grab the box of mystery meat? Ew. This way? Out back? Where we get? Well, technically, wouldn't it be this way? Like back here? I'm out back. I don't see no meat or mystery. Oh. Oh shit.
Does this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez.
Bruh,
Scared the crap
dead
out of me, man.
ass.
What?
That just blew me.
Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Cause why we joking with him?
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with a killer punchline.
Boy, shut up. Leave me alone.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
So you want a wiener?
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Ew. Bruh, go. We'll move around.
Just another night with another creep.
Bro.
I hate this city.
Mad creepy, bro. Got me watching my back now. Just hiding behind some mystery meat patties. Ugh. Ew. Bruh, why is this the process? Beating that meat. Pause. But like literally. What was that scream? Ugh. Okay. I don't understand why is this so hard to do. And why we getting stuff everywhere. Well, we gonna see. Hey sir, how are you? Hey youngster, let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. Okay. Okay, how to make a juicy, long, quick fix wiener. I'm just playing a game, y'all. I ain't make it. Add the following items to a hot dog plate in these steps. Steps: toast bun. Add cooked wiener. Mustard, ketchup, relish, the works. Hot dog container. Serve to customer. Okay. Why is it screaming? Okay. Okay. What? It just told me I needed the buns toasted. Oh, shoot. Okay, let me put a cooked wiener back. Okay. Cause wow, who set this up like this? This ghetto. Okay, hold on. We need a box. We need that. What? Where's everything going? What? Okay, why they keep telling me the wiener ready? I know. Mustard, ketchup. Okay. Ew. Mustard, ketchup, then relish. Okay. The works. Then it say, oh, a container. Okay. Here you go, sir. Oh, he just went dumb. Oh, he just went dumb. He ain't even pay for it. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. What the freak? No, he stole it. He just ate it. He ain't even buy. He just stole it. After he, bro, like, let's just get ready, bro. What's up, ma'am? How you doing? I heard you have the biggest wieners around. Oh, let me get one. Y'all, I promise you, this is like insane. What's up with this wiener cooking sign? Okay, shut up. I know it's ready. Jeez. Okay, we know the process now. Is she gonna pay? Go ahead, man.
Ow!
Bro, what? She going dumb. They ain't none of these people gonna pay. They just gonna eat everything that ain't nobody gonna pay. They just gonna like go crazy like that. Ain't nobody gonna spend no money on. It won't even let me check they ass. Like, bro, is that dude from earlier, huh? Behind the mystery meat? That's for sure him. Ugh, look at his walk, bro. His walk so strong, gang. What's up, bro? He ain't gonna speak. This nigga is a weirdo. And he just doing the hokey pokey. Turn that ass around. He's so excited about this wiener.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine
No.
establishment?
Leave me alone.
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means.
I just work here, literally. Just take the hot
Did you come
dog,
in
bro.
to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I am in the mood for something a little more unique.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
Not for real.
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Bro, did you even check to see if we had staples, bro? You ain't even checked the back, bro. You just doing shit, bro.
Why do you need staples this late at night?
Right, what?
Oh,
Bro, you ain't even
I'd
look.
say I'm
You just walked in
working on a
here.
little art project. Whatever,
Alright,
man.
bro.
It's none of my business. We
Facts.
have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
How about you don't see me again? With that synthetic ass wig. Look at him. Can I get out? He watching me while he shops. What's wrong with bro? He's still in the store. Did he leave? Bro. Waiting all day for a wiener is crazy. I hear you though. Is dude still? He's. Bro. Okay, cool. I don't know what's this dramatic noise, bro. When I'm wiener making, bro. Alright. Here you go, ma'am. Enjoy your wiener. This is like so unnecessary. Like, what was... And then to do that and still have the condiments on the bun, gang. I just don't... I don't know, bro. I still ain't see dude leave the store. Am I tweaking? Did he steal the staples? Like... What up, gang? A meaty, juicy one? Gang. He look like somebody. Oh, he different. Look at him. He impatient. Arms folded. Okay, sir. If you don't, just give me a couple seconds, Don't gotta, stare at me.
12 seconds later.
Here you go, sir. You have a good one. Whoa. Bro just assumed position. Whoa. Y'all gonna perform every time y'all wanna eat? Oh, there she go. She just strutting and shit. Okay, heels, stilettos, pumps in the club, yeah. Oh, she tatted. Big Chipotle bag. Hey, Shreddy. Hey.
Shrimp queen.
I'm saying.
Comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment.
I'm not.
Better than
Girl,
those
listen,
beers I'm
dude
selling
behind you though.
You don't want to know what's in them.
Dude
should
behind
see
you though.
Some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh?
Am I tweak?
You on your break?
One day
Facts.
we'll get out of this dump. Yeah.
How we plan on doing that?
Soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-pathetic tonight.
Don't ever say no shit like that.
You should be arrested for that one.
Facts.
Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Whoa. Leave Blair alone, gang. What is he on? Blair, hurry up. Hurry up. Why is he still in here? Oh, shoot. Bro, I literally closed everything on my freaking desktop, bro.
It seems you're all out of staples.
Is he dead ass?
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Nah, facts. You just scared the fuck out of me, like. I just had a whole heart attack.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much. but it's no longer here.
Oh my god, bro.
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend. Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
Right, get the fuck out.
You might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Stinky booty ass, boy, if you don't get out of here. Is he gonna leave for real this time?
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I needed.
Well, he did leave this time. Checking all corners. Bro. Bro.
Great. That
Ew.
weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I'd better grab the plunger.
Is he gonna come in here? Bro. Ew. Ew. He must have went dumb in there. Ew. And then we gotta make hot dogs with these same hands.
This stupid thing isn't working.
Why are we so close to the toilets? Back up. Oh. Better run. Better run. Better run.
What
Bro.
is that sound?
Why is he getting close? Ew. This dookie meat all over the floor. So this is where the girl work at. Okay. I guess we just switch people.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside.
Bro, look at dude. He knocked.
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again.
Again.
Opportunity.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh shit. I know he mad.
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I
I'm
wasn't
weak.
sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
Same
You
thing.
were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead.
Yeah, it is.
know how it
I don't
stays
even
in
know why we
business.
would need a bowling alley in the
I
middle
think
of
he
this
was using it to
turmoil.
launder money.
Oh,
Honestly,
damn.
Wouldn't shock me. Anyway,
Not
we're
laundering.
about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Not the nudies. Dude outside though, so what we gonna do? The bathroom is that way. Where do we go eat at? Their employee room? Something? I don't see no other way, so down this dark, creepy hallway, huh? Okay. Okay. Not the hot dog have eaten. Ew.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
I don't think we should tell Lucas to go nowhere. But hey, whatever. Oh, Lucas gone. Oh.
Alright, Lucas.
Have a
you
good
can get outta
one.
here.
All my ladies, if you feel me going good, do it with your hair. You see him?
Sweet.
He got a
Thanks,
fro
Blair.
hawk.
There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Like
Oh,
what?
Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs.
Fact.
What needs to be done?
Right.
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose?
Why can't
After
you?
that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
Do people do their jobs?
You couldn't even polish the balls?
I'm
It's like
saying.
the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Alright.
Ugh. Wow, Lucas.
Pack it up.
Just wow.
Just nasty.
Catch you later, Blair.
The fuck? Okay, gotta check a ball feeder. I don't really know. Is the ball feeder's up here that we gotta look at? Oh, here we go. Out of order. There you go. Damn. I don't think that'll fix it. But, okay. Who made these out of order signs? They raggedy. Oh, well. You know, just whack it a few times. Damn. Well, I ain't break it.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Facts. Now what?
I'd better head
Okay.
behind the counter and polish those balls.
Yep. Yep. Dude was outside though. I knew he was gonna come here. Damn, there's no way to avoid him either. Can I? Please. Fuck. Come on, let me just talk to his clown ass. Hey, sir.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello.
Why is she so seductive with it?
What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Okay.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane, or am I gonna have to call the police?
Facts.
I am here to purchase an experience.
I think you need to purchase something
Right.
elsewhere.
Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
Oh, that's cheap as hell.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Oh, he weird as fuck. And look at his
Thanks.
forehead, long as
I
hell.
think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
No,
You mean,
absolutely
like,
not.
My work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions.
Not for real.
Either buy a lane or get out.
Quick.
No need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
Okay. Did he even pay? Bro.
Total creep.
Okay. He just... I'm behind the counter. What balls need to be clean? Okay. Here we go. Okay. Pretty easy. Easy work, light work, you know what I'm saying? He just gonna watch. He's weird. Okay. Bro, this nigga is a weirdo. And he like just getting closer and closer, like then what's next? He gonna be over the counter? I don't know, y'all. He's weird. So much so that I can't even press the right buttons because I'm paranoid.
Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Is he gone? He left?
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Let me see. Is he gone? Alright, I don't know. I'm saying he just
Where
gone.
did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling.
Sure didn't.
Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Girl, for all we know, he could be in that break room. Hell, hurry up, hurry up.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Why? Why can't we eat back here? Okay, hurry up, hurry up. I know it's too good to be true.
Ugh, what happened?
Girl, that fucking clown.
You gotta listen to me.
Freak.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are
Who?
you talking
The
about,
clown? He left us
Mr.
here?
Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
What the hell did he put in us? I hear you. Oh shit.
Look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Ew.
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side
Oh my
effects
god,
of
this shit
my
is
medicine.
crazy.
Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What do you mean?
I'm saying.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I shred it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please, don't.
Hurry up, hurry up. Can we get out of this? No? Oh shit, it's wraps. Damn. I don't think it was any way we could have avoided it either. Cause she wanna eat noodies. Girl, forget them noodies. Wow. Now, why would he do that? Wow. She was bad too. She ain't deserve that. Ain't no way that's it. I don't know. The game do got its jump scares, but it's also real weird, real freaky, because you had the eaters going crazy. I'm talking about going dumb, going stupid. Y'all want to keep seeing me play stuff like this, though. I don't know what's wrong with y'all. Y'all want me to be in the house just scared out of my boots. I don't get y'all at all. How can I tell you? I don't get y'all at all. Cause come on, like, why would y'all want? Like, it's alright, y'all. Anyway, this was the skin stapler. I don't know if y'all want me to see the full game when it do come out, drop, whatever the case may be. But y'all go ahead and let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and tell me what else y'all want to see from me. I'm definitely down to play whatever, even if it is scary, even if I do get a little scared, poop myself, whatever. Speaking of, I probably do need to check them drawers. No, I'm just playing. You thought you had me, girl. I'm grown. I'm grown, grown. But I ain't gonna lie, I was scared. But I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all watching me. I appreciate everybody who been following my channel and supporting me. I definitely have a lot of stuff that I want to come soon, so I can't wait to show you guys. But I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace.
I don't wanna